Hello, it's Marcus McCray. I want to show you a quick, easy job we just did. So if you're a property management company and you're looking for somebody to come out, help you out with some condos, let's say you've got some old condos or an old apartments, and you're needing somebody to come out and help you and assist you with your old fence, taking down, hauling off, installing new post, installing new cedar, installing new iron, installing new chain link. Any type of fencing like that, our company, DFW Fence Contractor, can do. So this little project here, this was 24 separate little condo units. Every one of them have a gate. This is cedar. It's all pre-stained. Every house has got numbers on it. We went back, put all the numbers back on it for them. So this is the first 24 of 172 we're gonna do. Like I said, this was done in a week. We use existing posts, so it wasn't that difficult. We did have to straighten out about 20 posts, so we put a separate charge in for that. So if you're needing somebody that can handle larger projects that demand a little more time, or somebody that can do them quickly because you've got tenants in an existing location and the fencing needs to be done rapidly, we're those people. We can do that. Our crews are set up to install at a rapid pace if we need to, especially on this easier stuff. This is just 6-foot dog-eared fencing. We were, like I said, in and out. This was 828 feet, I think, with 24 gates and about 20 posts that needed to be fixed. We were in and out of this in 4 days. Now we're going to be moving to the other phase. We're going to be doing the next 21 houses along this other corridor over here. Hey, thanks for checking us out.